Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to be making a natural and effective moisturizer using neem oil. Neem oil has been used for centuries for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great ingredient for skin care. This moisturizer is perfect for all skin types and will leave your skin feeling hydrated and glowing. Ingredients: a quarter cup of coconut oil, a quarter cup of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of neem oil, 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil, optional. A clean, glass jar. Instructions. Number 1. Start by melting the coconut oil and shea butter in a double boiler. Number 2. Once melted, remove from heat and add in the neem oil and essential oil. Stir well. Number 3. Pour the mixture into a clean, glass jar and let it cool and solidify at room temperature. Number 4. Once it has solidified, give the jar a good shake to mix everything together. Number 5. To use, simply scoop a small amount of the moisturizer into your palms and massage into your skin. Use daily for best results. Conclusion. That's it. Making your own neem oil moisturizer is so easy and will leave your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and glowing. Try it out and let us know how it worked for you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.